Class, welcome to Module 6. You are almost done with this class. You have two assignments in this module. Your two assignments are to do your thesis statement worksheet and your research essay outline. I do want to go over a couple of the other items that are basically just notes that I've provided for you in this folder and kind of give you an idea of why those are there and why I want you to look at them. So Chapter 5 gives you important pieces of information for your research essay and for how to do your works cited page. So I do definitely want you to read Chapter 5. You're not turning anything in from that. I just want for you to read it. Remember also that you do have a whole MLA documentation guide in your textbook, so definitely take advantage of that too if you're struggling with MLA format. Don't rely on the computer citation generators. They're not always accurate. So use your textbook. The writing notes for research, these are just more notes on formatting, how to make sure that you avoid plagiarism, and then I've included some of the English 1301 tutorials for those of you that maybe haven't taken English 1301 in a long time. You can use those just to kind of refresh your memory. Student samples, I highly recommend you use these. What I have here under the student sample section is I have included sample student work of the thesis statement worksheet that you're about to have to do, the essay outline that you're about to have to do, and I've even included some sample research papers from students in the past. Now, the student work is not perfect. It's student work. These are students that were at the same level that you are at now. Okay, but they are papers and work that they were given A's. I gave them A's. Okay, so I feel like it is a pretty good sample of what I'm looking for and how to do the assignments. The thesis statement worksheet, make sure that you answer that fully. One, because you're writing the whole first paragraph of your essay. First of all, understand that's what this assignment is doing, is it's walking you through so that you'll have your introductory paragraph and thesis statement. Okay, so you're doing a part of your essay when you do this assignment. But also when I go to grade the thesis statement worksheet, I can really tell what you're going to focus on in your essay. I can look at your wording. I can see if you understand what you're doing. And most importantly, I can make sure or try to make sure based on how you've worded this thesis statement paragraph, I can kind of tell whether you're setting yourself up to write a summary, which is what we want to avoid, right? We want to make sure that you don't end up writing just a really long summary. So this is, again, even though it's more work for you, it's work that I've set up so that I can help you more. So please make sure that you turn this assignment in. The research essay outline is very in-depth. I include a sample or kind of like a template for this outline. I started doing that because so many students were texting me and like, I don't know how to do an outline. So I provided this template. Please understand that that doesn't mean that you have to do the template exactly the way that it is listed. You can change things. If you're not going to focus on characterization, then delete characterization and add whatever element you're going to talk about. Okay, so please, please, please understand that you do not have to do the outline exactly how I have it listed. I put it there as a guideline, not as something that's like etched in stone, thou shalt write this, okay? If you have any questions, guys, as always, please send me a text, and you can always come to one of my lectures, face-to-face lectures. They're on my office hours. Good luck, you're almost done.